Okay, class, put away your homework. We're going to go ahead and start on our next assignment. So come up and grab a worksheet, one of each. We're going to be going over the multiplication and division again. So I'm going to start with an example, one of each. We're going to start with the multiplication. Coleman, you should have your pencil sharpened before you come to class.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so the first one,
I don't know that number.
the first one is 35 times 12. And we all remember 2 times 5.
10.
So you put your 0 and carry your 1. And then your 2 times 3. 6. Plus your 1.
7.
Okay, now does anybody remember what we did here on the next line? Coleman.
You add a 0
Okay, and why do we add a 0?
for place value.
Okay, so then we start over here again and we go 1 times 5.
5.
And then your 1 times 3. 3. Alright, and we add it up and let's see if we get the same thing. Everybody get 420?
I did now.
I did. Okay, what did you come up with? Did you get the 70?
I got the 70.
Did you get the 350?
Can you do like another example? Like,
Alright, we'll go ahead and go to the second one. Okay, so we're going to do 54 times 34. Alright, so 4 times 4,
16.
carry your 1, and 4 times 5.
20.
Okay, and then what do we do next?
Add the 1. 21.
Okay. And like Coleman said, we put a 0 when we go down to the next number for replacement value, so 3 times 4.
12.
Okay, and 3 times 5?
13.
No, you know better. What's 3 times 5? And add your 1.
16.
Okay. Alright, we'll add this up. Alright, Siarra, so how did you do on this one? Did you come up with the right number?
I got this one right.
You did?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Coleman, you have any questions, any problems?
No, I got it.
Okay, so we're going to go on to division, okay? You guys remember our lesson from yesterday? The long division?
I remember you have to put the roof over the number.
Alright. So we're going to do the first one, which is 8 divided by 984.
That's a big number.
Okay. It might look like a big number. Just take it one at a time. You'll do okay. So 8 goes into 9 how many times?
1.
Okay. And we know that's 8. So 9 minus 8, 1. And 8 can't go into 1, so we bring the next number down, which is 18. And how many times can 8 go into 18?
2.
Okay. And 2 times 8 is?
60.
Okay. So we subtract this. And then we bring this one down again. Okay. And what times 8 will give you 24?
3.
Very good. So we end up with 0, so we know we're done. And our answer is 123.
Hey, it's like 1, 2, 3.
Alright. Did you guys get that one correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you do more like word examples rather than just numbers?
Of course. Okay, Coleman, we're going to use you as an example
Why me?
because you forgot to sharpen your pencil, so come on.
Do I need my pencil?
No. You can use the magic pen.
I
Okay, so
can't use that.
you can use it. Come on, it's okay. It's just, it's in class. It's just like writing on paper. It's okay. All right, so do your 5. divided by 390. There you go. Okay, and then does 5 go into 3?
No.
Okay, so then what would you do?
5 goes into 39.
Okay, how many times?
7.
Okay.
Put that up there.
Yep.
And subtract.
Correct.
That gives you 4.
Yep.
And then you bring down 0.
There you go.
And
So will 5 go into 40?
yes,
Okay, how many times?
8.
Okay.
And you get 0.
There you go.
So your answer's 70.
Very good. Now, if you had to explain this in a word problem, would you know how to write it out? Would you know what the meaning of this is, why we would do division in a problem like this?
No.
Okay.
No.
What are some of your hobbies? Or what do you do when you go home from school?
I go straight to work.
Okay,
I work out in the fields.
on a farm?
Mhm.
Okay, so let's look at it this way. We'll put it into terms that you can understand with your everyday life. Okay, so say you had 5 acres,
Okay.
5 acres of land, and you needed 390 plants, okay? So what do you usually grow? Corn? something like
Corn,
that?
wheat,
Okay, so you need 390 stalks
cabbage.
of corn, and you have 5 acres to do it on. So, what kind of word problem this would be is, how many stalks of corn could you grow per acre to meet your 390 stalks of corn?
Okay.
And then, so you come up, you did your division, and your answer is 78. So you would know that on each acre, you plant 78 stalks of corn, and that will take up your 5 acres and give you 390 stalks.
Okay.
You get it?
Yes, yes ma'am.
Okay. All right, well, I'm gonna let you guys work on these worksheets, and let me know if you have any questions.
Yes ma'am.